Welcome to hopetalker English.
Honey, what happened?
Somebody locked me in the washroom.
What? Who did this?
I don't know. Come on, it can be a kid. Let's go home now. Yes, you're right. Thanks, Sam. I had a great time with you. Amber, I like your choice.
I had a great time as well. Lucy.
Oh, John. You scared me.
You know how many times I called you.
Oh, come on. You know I was busy with my friends.
You are changing, Lucy.
Listen. I am not your robot. And don't show me your attitude.
I was missing you a lot. You were ignoring me.
I am tired now. We will talk later. Good night.
Lucy, listen.
Come on, Lucy. You have to make a plan. I need to get rid of this broke John. He is useless now. Another side, Sam is rich and he has got his own business. Hi, honey.
Hi, Lucy. Thank God you called me.
Honey, can we meet today?
Yeah, sure. Where do you want to meet?
At my home. And I am alone, honey.
Yeah, sure. I am just coming.
See you. Lucy is calling me. Hi, sweetie. What's up? Amber, my friend, please save me. Lucy, dear, are you crying? What happened? It's John. He beats me, and he does not love me. What? He was a good guy. I know him. Please save me. He is here at my home. Please believe me. I am just coming. Honey, don't cry. I am coming, Lucy. This fake makeup will make you believe Amber. Come on, John. I created this scene for you.
Honey, what happened here? Who came? Honey, who did this to you? Who hurt you? I will kill him. Lucy, my darling, tell me who came here. Lucy, can you hear me?
I think Amber has come. Please, John, don't beat me.
Lucy, what are you saying?
No, help me. No, John.
Why are you doing this?
Lucy, my dear. Help me, somebody help me. He will kill me.
Have you lost your mind?
Please don't kill me. Stop it, John.
Amber, thank God you came. Amber, you slapped me.
Don't dare to hurt my friend. You save me, Amber. He wants to kill me.
She is lying. It was her plan. Amber, believe me. Do you really think? Did I do this to her? No, Amber, no.
I thought that you were a good guy, but you.
I did not do anything.
Don't worry, Lucy. I called the police. The police will be arriving soon.
Have you gone mad? I told you, I did not do anything.
You can't protect yourself. The police will deal with you.
What's going on here?
Officer, arrest him. I called you. I am Amber.
Calm down. I am deal with him. Officer, I did not do anything. I did not beat her. She is lying.
Officer, he beat me. He wanted to kill me. Thank God my friend came on time.
Amber, she is cunning. She wanted to get rid of me. Believe me, Amber. She will destroy you as well. You are under arrest, Mr. John. You will regret one day, Amber. She will destroy you. She will destroy you, mark my words.
Officer, take him away from here. Don't worry. I am with you. Where is Aunt? She is out of city. She will be coming after 1 week. You can't stay here alone. Go and take a shower. You are coming with me. I think you were right. I will be right back. Well, Lucy. Wow. You did a great job. You killed 2 birds with 1 stone. John is in jail, and you are in Amber's house. Mom.
Amber. What's up?
Mom. Lucy is going to stay here for a week.
Can we talk alone?
Lucy, could you please wait in my room?
Sure, Amber. Lucy can't stay here.
Mom, she is in trouble. Her mom is out of city. She is my best friend.
Amber, you are so naive. I am telling you, before she is cunning.
Mom, please. She has no place to go.
Okay, but this is the last time.
Thanks, Mom.
Amber, my darling.
Sam, my love. Let's sit here.
Welcome, Sam. Okay, I am going to my room.
Amber, what happened? You look tired.
It's Lucy. Her fiancé beat her. I brought her in my home for a week.
What? How is she?
She's fine now. She is in my room. Actually, her mom is out of city for a week, so I had to bring her here.
You did great.
Would you like to drink something?
Yeah, sure. Mango juice, please.
Okay.
I am going to meet Lucy in your room. Could you please bring my juice there?
Yeah, sure. Lucy must be hungry as well.
Hi, Lucy. How are you feeling now?
I am feeling good.
You look sick. You should rest.
Sam, can you please come here?
Are you all right? Amber told me about you. I am so sorry to hear that.
He beat me. He wanted to kill me.
Please don't cry. Everything will be fine soon. I am with you. Amber is with you.
Can you please help me standing up? I am feeling dizzy. I need to go to the washroom.
Yeah, sure. Lucy, are you okay?
Sam, I am not feeling well.
Sam, here is your juice. Sam.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. I know you are going to love it.